Well, hello viewers and welcome. You find me at the new George Washington Supercharger location. The V3 stalls that are here, there are 12 of them. And the fun thing about it is that it's kind of like one of those old school superchargers. There's not much going on around here, but it's a nice location for you to be able to charge up after your event at the Gorge, watching your favorite concert, or there's a hotel here for you to be able to check out as well, stay the night, and then head back over either to the west side or to the east side where a lot of you guys live. That being said, 12 stalls here, but as far as food, beverage options, restrooms, and things like that, there's not a whole lot. Up the street, there is a Subway at the gas station, but so not a lot of options, but like I said, it kind of reminds me of one of those old school locations where there wasn't a ton of amenities around the chargers. So that being said, I like it. This is the new George Washington Supercharger location, V3 stalls, and again, thank you, Tesla Charging.